This video didn't find you on accident. I believe if you clicked on this video, your soul is ready for the next level of abundance. So today I'm going to share with you some signs that your soul is actually ready for abundance and how to step into that next level of wealth and prosperity. If your soul resonates with even just a few of these, know that your life might look very different soon. So sign number one might be a bit surprising, and that is that you've actually struggled with scarcity when it comes to money and abundance. Before abundance comes in, you often go through a period of intense scarcity. So financial stress, instability, fear around money. Now, why is this? Well, your soul is forcing you to see your relationship with lack, to outgrow it, to stop attaching your worth to your bank account. So it might feel like a punishment that you're a victim, but you're just being prepared to hold more. So let me know if this is you, if you have experienced a period of your life where you've been struggling with money. Next sign is you're starting to detach of what no longer defines you. Now, this identity could be different for everybody. Some people identify themselves as a mom, a career person, a certain lifestyle, a relationship. And what could happen is that you start shedding your identities. Old identities that no longer serve you. And this can feel really scary, like you're losing yourself. But no, that was just what wasn't aligned with you. And it's making place for this new aligned version of you that can hold a higher level of abundance. Abundance requires that level of authenticity. So if it feels a bit scary, I want you to comment below, I am enough. Because you are. You don't need that old identity to define yourself, to feel a sense of worth. You are such a powerful soul, and you've had many identities through many lifetimes. So know that at your core, you are so powerful. Sign number 3 is that you're feeling called to find or step more into your life purpose. So you struggle to have a job just because it pays the bills. That life used to be okay, but suddenly it feels empty, misaligned, or even unbearable. And you feel this inner pull, like I'm meant for more, or I didn't come here just to survive. And this is coming from your soul, trying to guide you into alignment because abundance flows through your purpose. And a little exercise that can help you narrow in on your purpose is imagine if you won the lottery, like the biggest jackpot, and you knew, okay, I'm set for life. So at the start, you'd probably go on lots of vacations, get some nice clothes, but eventually you get bored and you're itching like, what do I do now? I want to do something with my life. I want to help in some way. Like Maslow's hierarchy, you then step up to the highest point where all that is missing is the fulfillment. So what would be fulfilling to you? Something you would do even if you didn't get paid. Because ironically, that is what will make you get paid the most. I've also included in the description a link to my guide on how to find your purpose in 5 simple steps. Sign number 4 that you're going to be so rich is that you are craving peace more than validation. So you care less about impressing people, less about proving yourself, about being liked, and more about feeling at peace. And this is huge because abundance doesn't come from chasing external approval, but from internal alignment. And when you stop leaking energy trying to be seen, you start attracting instead. Sign number 5 is that you feel uncomfortable, but at the same time excited. So it's this weird mix of emotions where parts of you feel uncertain, maybe even anxious, but another part of you feels expanded, like something big is coming. And that's what happens when your soul is upgrading faster than your mind can understand. So you're stepping into the unknown, and that's where abundance lives. And my key for this step is to surrender. Because if you surrender to life, you will be guided to the purpose that will make you abundant. It's when the ego tries to control outcomes where you keep taking detours. So some ways to surrender is to meditate daily, go on nature walks without any podcasts or company. And there's also a book you can read about this if you struggle with surrendering called The Surrender Experiment. And it's by Michael Allen Singer. So if any of these resonate, know that your old life is dissolving so that your aligned life can begin. And it isn't something that you chase. It's something you become available for. So let me know if any of these signs resonated with you. Subscribe for more videos about purpose. And next up, watch my video, Best Business Models for Spiritual People, so that you can learn practical steps on how to actually achieve that abundance. Love you so much and see you in the next episode.